Hello, everyone. Once again, I welcome you in my Free Nibosh IGC series. Today, we have our lecture number 9 on how to assess health and safety culture of an organization. Assessing an organization's health and safety culture is an important step in creating a safe working environment for all. By identifying areas for improvement and taking appropriate actions, organizations can reduce the risk of accidents and injuries and create a culture where everyone feels safe. Assessing an organization's health and safety culture presents a challenge due to the subjective nature of its core elements, attitudes, beliefs, behaviors, and values. These intangible factors are difficult to directly measure, making it more practical to assess health and safety culture indirectly through tangible outputs. These observable indicators serve as reflections of the organization's underlying values and behaviors. While no single indicator can provide a comprehensive assessment, analyzing a combination of indicators offers valuable insights into the overall health and safety culture of an organization. A tangible output is something that can be physically seen, touched, or measured. It is a concrete result of an activity or process. Tangible outputs are often used to assess the success or effectiveness of an organization or project. Here are some examples of tangible outputs. A manufactured product such as a car, computer, or toy. A written document such as a report, contract, or essay. A completed task such as building a house, painting a room, or fixing a car. A measurable outcome such as increased sales, improved customer satisfaction, or reduced costs. Now, I will explain different indicators of health and safety culture. Number one, using accident records to assess health and safety culture. Accident records provide valuable insights into an organization's health and safety culture. By analyzing accident data, organizations can identify trends, assess the effectiveness of their safety programs, and make informed decisions to improve safety performance. There are some indicators of these accident records. Number one, accident rate, tracking the frequency of accidents, often expressed as the number of accidents per 1 lakh hours worked, provides a direct measure of the organization's ability to prevent harm. A decreasing accidents rate over time indicates an improving safety culture. For example, a manufacturing company experiences a 20% reduction in workplace accidents over the past year. This positive trend suggests that their safety initiatives, such as employee training and hazard identification programs, are contributing to a safer work environment. Number two is benchmarking. Comparing the organization's accident rate to industry benchmarks or national averages helps determine their safety performance relative to others in their field. A higher accident rate than benchmarks may indicate areas for improvement. For example, a construction company compares their accident rate to the national average for construction companies. They find that their accident rate is significantly higher than the benchmark, suggesting that they need to strengthen their safety measures. Number 3 is accident investigation quality. Examining the thoroughness of the accident investigation and the effectiveness of the follow-up actions reveals the organization's commitment to learning from mistakes and preventing recurrence. For example, a transportation company conducts comprehensive accident investigations, identifying root causes and implementing corrective measures. They also follow up on these actions to ensure they are effective in preventing future accidents. Number 4 is accident investigation reports. Analyzing the quality of the accident investigation reports provides insights into the organization's approach to safety. Well-written reports with clear findings and recommendations indicate a safe, strong safety culture. For example, a retail company reviews their accident investigation reports and finds that they are often superficial, lacking detailed analysis and actionable recommendations. This suggests that they need to improve their investigation process to effectively identify and address safety hazards. By examining these indicators from accident records, organizations can gain a comprehensive understanding of their health and safety culture, identify areas for improvements, and make informed decisions to strengthen their safety performance. The second indicator is sickness rates. A lot of ill health is caused or made worse by work. For example, in many countries, a huge number of working days are lost because of back pain. And a significant proportion of that back pain will have been caused or made worse by the work that individuals are doing. Sickness rates can be used in the same way that accident rates are, as an indicator of health and safety culture. Number 3 indicator is absenteeism. A high level of worker absenteeism indicates that workers are either not able or not willing to come to work. If they are not able, this might indicate that they are suffering ill health caused or worsened by work. Or, as we noted above, if they are not willing, it indicates that they are withholding their labor for some reason. This is usually caused by poor workforce morale, which in turn may be linked to poor health and safety culture. Number 4 indicator is staff turnover. An organization with a positive health and safety culture is often a good place to work. Workers feel safe, morale is good, training is available, and workers are consulted about their working conditions. As a result, workers stay with their employer for longer. So low staff turnover may indicate a good health and safety culture, while high staff turnover may indicate the opposite. The 5th indicator is compliance with safety rules. In an organization with a positive health and safety culture, the majority of workers want to work safely. So they comply with the safety rules and procedures laid down by the organization. Formal or informal safety inspections or audits usually find that there is a high level of compliance. The health and safety culture has influenced workers' behavior in a positive way. Where there is a negative health and safety culture, the reverse is usually true. Workers do not follow the rules either because they do not know what they are perhaps going to poor training, or because they know the rules but do not want to follow them, perhaps because of poor attitude. Workers are free to break the rules because of poor supervision They know that they will not be punished. Number 6 indicator is complaints about working condition. There is an obvious link between health and safety culture and the number and the type of the complaints made by workers and worker safety representatives to the management. An organization with a positive culture may actively encourage complaints, but few serious ones will be made. An organization with a negative health and safety culture may actively discourage workers from complaining, and many of the complaints made will be legitimate and serious ones. Peer group pressure and safety culture. Peer group pressure, the influence that individuals exert on one another within a group, plays a significant role in shaping workplace behavior, including safety-related practices. In organizations with a positive safety culture, peer group pressure aligns with safe behavior, encouraging individuals to adhere to safety protocols and adopt safe working practices. Conversely, in organization with a negative safety culture, peer group pressure can drive unsafe behavior, leading individuals to disregard safety rules and engage in risky practices to conform to group norms. Positive impacts of peer group pressure in a positive safety culture. In a positive safety culture, peer group pressure serves as a reinforcing mechanism for safe behavior. Individuals observe and learn from their peers' safe practices, establishing a collective sense of responsibility for safety. This positive peer influence can lead to increased adherence to safety procedures. Individuals are more likely to follow established safety protocols and guidelines due to the influence of their peers who demonstrate safe behavior. Enhanced risk awareness. Peer-to-peer interaction can promote a culture of risk awareness where individuals share safety concerns and proactively identify potential hazards. Reduced normalization of unsafe behavior. Peer group pressure can discourage individuals from engaging in unsafe practices that may be normalized within the group, promoting a culture of safety by default. For example, in a construction company with a strong safety culture, a group of experienced workers consistently follows safety protocols such as wearing personal protective equipment and using proper lifting techniques. Their consistent adherence to safety standards sets a positive example for new employees, encouraging them to adopt safe working practices as well. Negative impact of peer group pressure in a negative safety culture. In a negative safety culture, peer group pressure can become a determinantal force, driving individuals to prioritize group acceptance over safety. This negative peer influence can lead to disregard for safety rules. Individuals may overlook or disregard safety rules and procedures due to the influence of the peers who engage in unsafe practices. Reduced risk perception. Peer acceptance may prioritize speed and productivity over safety, leading to a disregard for potential hazards and a normalization of unsafe behavior. Increased acceptance of unsafe practices. Individuals may adopt unsafe practices to fit in with the group, even if they recognize the risks involved. For example, in a manufacturing company with a weak safety culture, a group of experienced workers consistently disregards safety protocols such as bypassing machine guards and ignoring logout procedures. Their disregard for safety sets a negative example for new employees, encouraging them to adopt unsafe practices as well. So, gentlemen, thank you very much to be with me for this tutorial and learning lesson. See you in the next lesson soon. Take care. Thank you very much.